Today I shall start exercise 5.3 question number 18. Now listen the question at first. A spiral is made of successive semicircles with centers alternately A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5 cm, 1.0 cm, 1.5 cm and go on. Now, what is the total length of the spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Now listen, look the figure at first. This is a spiral way, okay? And you look, this is a straight line, and on this straight line upper portions are semicircles with center A and lower portions are semicircle with centers B. Okay. Now here number of semicircle equal to 13, and what is given, radii of successive semicircles are 0.5 centimeter, 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, then 2.0, 2.5 and go on. So lengths of the successive semicircles are 0.5 pi centimeter, 1.0 pi centimeter, 1.5 pi centimeter, 2.0 pi centimeter and goes on, because these are the perimeter means what is the perimeter of circle, 2 pi r, and what is the perimeter of semicircle, only pi r. Okay, perimeter of semicircle is pi r, so I have written pi into r. R is 0.5, understand now? And for the second semicircle, pi and radius is 1.0, so pi r are the perimeters of semicircles. Now d equal to a2 minus a1, that is 1.0 pi minus 0.5 pi, and after subtraction 0.5 pi. Now n equal to 13. So I have written here the general formula of Sn, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S13 equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into 0.5 pi plus 13 minus 1 into 0.5 pi. Here A is also 0.5 pi and D is also 0.5 pi. Now 13 by 2 into 2 into 0.5, that is 1, so 1 pi plus 12 into 0.5 pi. Now look the calculation here, pi and 12 5 just 60, so 6.0, that is 6 pi. 6 pi plus pi 7 pi. Now you put the values of pi, which is 22 by 7. Now these 7 cancel and 22 is divided by 2 and gets 11. So 13 into 11, 143. So total length of the spiral way equal to 143 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 19. At first listen the question. 200 logs are stacked in following manners: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 logs in the next row, 18 logs in the row next, and so on. In how many rows are 200 logs can be placed, and how many logs are there in top row? Understand? Means total logs are 200. Logs means wooden part, big wooden parts are known as logs. So total number of logs, that is Sn, equal to 200. Now in the bottom row, number of logs in the bottom row, that is A1 equal to 20, and next A2 equal to 19, and upper next A3 equal to 18. So D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 19 minus 20 minus 1. Now Sn equal to 200, so n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 200. Now these 2 will multiplied by this 200 and gets 400, okay, by cross multiplication. Now 20 2 ja 40. Now break the bracket, minus n minus minus plus 1. Here d is minus 1 and n, 40 plus 1 41 minus n equal to 400. 41 n minus n square minus 400 equal to 0. Now make arrange, that is minus n square change to n square, and this will be then for minus 41n, and this will be plus 400 equal to 0. I have done this by prime factorization method, middle factorization method. So 1 into 400, 400. Now you 400 you split up by two numbers whose multiplication is 400 but addition or subtraction is 41. Now by the process of prime factorization method, you obtain the number 16 and 25 whose multiplication is 400 and addition is 41. So I have written here 16n plus 25n in bracket because here is minus sign. Now break the bracket. N square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 equal to 0. Now take common. N minus 16. Now between these two you take common 25. So 25n minus plus minus 16 equal to 0. Now n minus 16 is the common factor. So I have taken it within one bracket, and in another bracket n minus 25 equal to 0. Here both the signs are negative, so value of n will be positive, which will be 16 and 25. But here one problem, if n equal to 25 means number of rows are 25. So number of logs in the uppermost row, that is A25, means number of logs in the uppermost row equal to A plus 24D. So 20 plus A is the 20, you know. Now 24 into minus 1, that is 20 minus 24 equal to minus 4. It is impossible because any number cannot be negative. Number of logs cannot be negative, so it is impossible. So another value you take when n equal to 16. It is only the correct answer. So A16 means number of logs in the topmost row, okay, equal to A plus 16 minus 1, 15D, and 20 plus 15 into 1 minus 1, that is 20 minus 15, that is 5. It is possible. So number of rows equal to 16 and number of logs in the 16th row means topmost row equal to 5. Okay. Now next question 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes. The competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick next potato and continues. What is the total distance the competitor runs? Now listen, look the figure properly. Here is a bucket is kept, okay, and 5 meter apart first potato is kept, and after 3 meter then second potato, and this is going on up to 10 potatoes, okay. All the potatoes are 3 meter apart. Now if a competitor runs, then he comes to the point, this point, 5 meter, crossing the distance 5 meter and taking the potato, and he goes again 5 meter and drop to this bucket. So 5 plus 5, which distance he covers? 10 meter, okay. And again he will come, and for the next second potato he has to travel 5 plus 3, 8 meter, and again he goes to the bucket and covers a distance of 8 plus 8, 16 meter, okay, understand. Now look, I have done by the competitor distance traveled or distance covered, anything you write, to bring the first potato equal to 5 plus 5. For going he has to cover 5 meter and for back he has to cover 5 meter. So it is 10 meter and that is A1. And distance covered to bring the second potato 8 plus 8 because 5 plus 3 8 and 8 meter he comes and 8 meter he goes. So 8, 8, 16 meter, that is A2. And minimum 3 terms you should rewrite. Okay. Now distance travel or distance covered to bring the third potato, 8 plus 3, 11 now. So 11 plus 11, 22 meter, that is A3 and so on. So D equal to A2 minus A1, 16 minus 10, 6 and N equal to 10 because number of potatoes is 10. Now write the general formula of Sn. Now put the values of N, A and D. Okay. Now 10 by 2 5 and here 20 plus 10 minus 1 9, 9 6 the 54. 54 plus 20 74 and multiplies you get 370. So total distance covered by the competitor is 370 meter. Answer. Okay.